Hey, what's up, guys? It's Motorcyclist here. I hope you all had a fantastic holiday weekend. I hope you spent time with your families and got away from work. I know I did, and it was great. Today, I have a little bit of a different video for you. I'm going to be taking some photos and talking to you guys about some of the ways I avoid the seasonal sadness. So with December and the holiday season quickly coming to a close, for many of us here in the eastern part of the U.S., the motorcycling season is as well. The inability to hop on my bike and ride away from all my problems at a moment's notice is really starting to take its toll on me, and the seasonal depression has fully set in. Today I wanted to talk to you guys about some of the ways I cope with the big sad cold times, seasonal sadness, and whatever other names that it goes by. But I know a lot of motorcycle riders around this time of year struggle with it. I definitely do, and I thought maybe posting a video talking about it and talking about ways that I cope with it and showing some of the positive things that you can get out and do might help some of you guys, so I hope you enjoy it. Now, although motorcycling might be one of my main hobbies, I do have a few others that I enjoy, and I think that investing time into them during the seasonal sadness is important to helping my mental health, and I think that you finding hobbies that make you happy and make you smile is important to helping your mental health as well. I'm not a doctor, but I know how it makes me feel. Photography, music, all of that sort of stuff is a big part of my life and always has been a big part of my life. So investing time and energy into that is definitely going to be how I spend my winter. Besides those things, I have my friends. I have the people that are also interested in the same hobbies I am and are currently in the same situation I am. They can't ride either. So we can put our heads together and come up with a few things that we can do this winter to keep ourselves distracted from the fact that we can't get on our bikes and act like absolute hooligans in traffic. Just because I won't be able to ride doesn't mean I won't be able to post videos either. I think that's something that's I've really been looking forward to, is the fact that I have a whole bunch of videos archived for this winter that I plan on going back and editing and working on. And then also me and Drew have some really cool plans for the channel and for some of the content that I want to upload and some of the stuff that we're going to do. So I have a lot of stuff to look forward to, honestly. And I've really been enjoying, making content for you guys, interacting with a lot of you guys. This is a super awesome, inclusive, cool community here on YouTube. Especially for motorcyclists. It's fantastic, and I love interacting with each and every one of you, and it has really helped with the seasonal depression and, knowing that for the next couple months I'm not going to be able to ride, because I know that I have some really cool stuff planned, and that over the next couple months I'm going to be sharing it with you and talking with you guys and watching your videos that you're posting, because you're in different parts of the world and maybe winter hasn't hit you yet, or you don't get a winter like we get. I can still stay connected to the thing that I love all the time. It's awesome. I love it. In closing, yeah, winter sucks. Yeah, not being able to ride sucks, but honestly, there's a lot of really awesome things that I love doing, and I hope there's a lot of really awesome things that you love doing that you're going to invest your time and energy into this winter so that you can get better at them and you can share them with the rest of the world, maybe. Motorcycle riding is definitely something that I love sharing with the world, but I'm glad that I'm getting to share this other part of my life of taking photos with you guys. And maybe at some point I'll even share some of my music with you, because, motorcycling isn't everything. It's great, but having different avenues of things that you enjoy doing is important. And if you don't have that, I hope you try to find that this winter so that the seasonal sad times are not as difficult for you. Thank you guys so much for watching my videos. Thank you for subscribing to my channel, liking my content. This has been really awesome. I love posting here and I love talking to you guys, and I hope to keep doing it in the future. Let me know what your plans are for this winter time. Let me know what you're planning to do. Let me know how the winter affects you, how seasonal depression affects you. I would love to talk to you guys about this as much as possible. It'll help me, and I hope it'll help you guys to talk about it. Thank you, and I hope you guys enjoyed the Polaroids from the shoot. I hope you guys had a fantastic holiday, and I will see you in the next video.